everyone. In this series, we are going to learn about the perimeter and area. So first, before learning the formula for the perimeter and area of different polygons and circle, let's learn clearly about what is the meaning of perimeter and area. So you just imagine there is a field and a farmer is planting or cultivating a paddy inside the field. That is known as area. So he is planting around the field everywhere. That is known as area. Suppose he wants to put the fencing for the field to protect the field from the animals. So he wants to put fencing for the field is known as perimeter. So when we are talking about the boundary of the given polygon or field, we are calling them as a perimeter. So fencing means perimeter, cleaning or cultivating or painting. So everything come under the area. So we learn already this two concept in the lower class. Let's recall the perimeter of the square. The square is a polygon that is a four-sided regular quadrilateral is a square. Always in a square all the four sides will be equal in nature. So perimeter means it's a meaning boundary. If you are imagining a side, measurement is a A. So the remaining sides also will be measured as a A. So the perimeter of a for square is A plus A plus A plus A. So we are adding, which is equal to 4A. 4A in this A is nothing, that is the side of the square. So the perimeter of a square is equal to 4A. In that A stands for side of a square. The next one we are talking about the perimeter of a rectangle. So according to the nature of a rectangle, always the opposite sides are equal in nature. So when it is length, the opposite side also will be equal to length, and when it is a breadth, the opposite side also will be equal to breadth. So the perimeter stands for boundary or around the field. So just imagine we are coming around the field. So first we are covering a L, and then we are covering the one time B. Again we are covering the second time L, and then a second time B. So here these two are like terms, L and L are like terms, and B are like terms. So when you are adding, we are getting 2 times L and 2 times B. In this 2 is a common when you take it outside, which is equal to L plus B. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B, and perimeter of a square is 4 times sides. The next one we are going to recall about the perimeter of a triangle. So just we have taken any triangle. This is a scalene triangle if I consider mean A, B, C. According to the scalene triangle, all the three sides are different, and then perimeter mean always we are finding the sum of the boundary. So here boundary measurements are A plus B plus C. Suppose if it is a scalene triangle, any two sides are equal mean we will get any two sides with the same measurement. By the time we can write a plus a to a plus b. So according to the measurement, the formula slightly changes, but whatever else, perimeter means sum of the sides of the given boundary. Now let's recall about the area of a rectangle. Yes, area of a rectangle is always equal to length into breadth. Rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and then area of a square is equal to side into side, otherwise a into a. And the next one, area of a parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Suppose we are constructing a parallelogram. So here is a parallelogram. In the parallelogram, I need a base and the height. So the height always, it is a line segment and always meet at 90 degree. So here is a height and here is a base. Suppose we are dividing a parallelogram into two equal halves mean we will get the triangle. So from the parallelogram formula we can get the triangle formula also. Say area of a triangle which is equal to half of the area of a parallelogram, so which is b into h by 2, otherwise half into b into h. So just we have recall all the formulas what we learned in the lower class. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you all.